Welcome back to CNC File Download. We're going to continue our tutorials today with the vendor dashboard. This is your dashboard. This is where you can get to do everything you need to do to sell products, control your media, your payments, your orders. Everything is here. So this is your dashboard. It will have some product stats here, number of orders, inquiries, latest topics. That's just your basic dashboard page there. Any notifications from the site will be here. In this area right here, you can see, you hover over it, it actually says notification board. You can click there to see your notifications about actions on the site. This button here will take you to your inquiries. If a customer asks a question on one of your products, you can click here and it will take you there. This button here is the announcements from the administrators of the site. And this button here is the knowledge base. If you have a question about something on the site, you can look in the knowledge base. If it's not there, of course, you're more than welcome to contact us. Also on this page, it'll show you your current storage. We have 0.35 megabytes of our 250 megabyte limit. And of course, we do not limit the number of products you can have. That's all that's telling you there. So that's the home page. If you click on the media button here, you can control your media here. The only real options you have is to view it or delete it. If you want to upload more media, you have to do that through a product or your settings. If you click on products here, it will show you all your different products. You can get to here to edit your products, view them, change the downloads. You can sort by any of the categories that you have. Product type, simple, downloadable, virtual. Again, you see that it is unlimited. You have different filters here you can go with, and of course you can also sort by your SKU or your price, visibility, and the date. We'll skip on to our orders tab. If you have anybody that has placed an order with you, you will see your order here and the information attached with it. This is the payments tab. Any payments that you've received for orders will also show here. Customers tab, depending on your plan, if you're wanting to add customers so that you have their information in, or you're wanting to deal with offline customers, you can add them here. The refund button, this will be refund requests that have been done regarding orders that have been placed from your store. So if somebody requests a refund, this is where you will see the refund request. And of course, there's the settings. This is where all your information goes. You can add mobile banners, store list banners. Just your basic store logo and store banner is the only ones you really need. The mobile banner and the store list banner is the same banner here. Your location, you can change that here. Your payment method, again, if for some reason you need to change your payment method, the only thing we do right now is PayPal. You can change that here. Your search engine options that you set up when you initially created it, you can change that here. Your store policies can be changed here. And any kind of customer support emails or any information you want to be able to provide to the customer to get a hold of you. In addition, up top here, you'll see there's a verification button, and we will get into that later. This is where you can go to view your membership. You can click here, and it will tell you you have a free membership and what type of plan you have. And again, you can change or upgrade your current membership plan by clicking this link. Either that or going here and say upgrade membership. This is your personal information. your address information, your social accounts, again your membership, and this is verification, but we'll get to that later. After settings, we have the ledger book. This shows your total earnings, how much you've withdrawn, and any refunds. So this will show all your site fees, your orders, and total them up together. The reviews button here will take you to any reviews that have been posted on your products or your store itself. You can see who's following your store. If you click the support tab here, anytime somebody places an order with you on their account page, it will give them an option to ask for support. This is basically a support ticket system in itself. It doesn't matter if you're a free vendor or a paid vendor, everybody has access to the support system. You will only see anything here if somebody asks for support on an existing order. And then you'll see this little blue button floating around here. From anywhere in the store manager here, you can click that product and it will go to add to new product. Here's your profile. You can always click on that. It takes you again into the profile manager, same place we were for your addresses, social, membership, and verification. You can add an avatar here too. That will be used on any reviews or anything like that. You can upload a new one, or you can select an existing and just hit save. Anytime you update anything, you need to make sure you hit the save button in the bottom corner. If you don't hit that button, it will not save. If you have any questions, just let us know. If you can't find something, again, look in the knowledge base. And thank you again for watching our video.